They try to downplay your energy even though they see your star appeal. This individual tried to twist the narrative, whether that means they try to tell others things about you that wasn't true so that they could deter people from looking at you correctly, or in the way that they spoke to you. You know, they didn't treat you with the respect that you deserved. Not that they didn't think you deserved it. They just felt like they had the higher cup. You know, they felt like they had some type of authority over you because they were trying to keep you behind. For some of you, they were trying to cause tower moments in your life. You know, because there's an energy here of them thinking that they outsmarted you in some way. So they'll pretending to be on side. They'll pretending to be supportive, caring. This is not really a caring card, the Ace of Swords. It's like they felt like they worked you out. This is the type of person that will ask you a lot of questions about what you're doing, or try and goad you towards a direction that they think is suitable. You know, this person thought that they think they have a lot of leverage over your life. They feel like you look up to them, like they are the leader that you need to follow. And whatever they say goes. If they say jump, you're supposed to say how high, yeah? Okay, cool. Well, this person was operating of fear. So yeah, they did try and sabotage you, because for some of you, they see you as wish fulfillment. They see you as the ideal, but they don't tell you that. They try and make you feel like something's wrong with you. You know, they always criticize you. They never big you up, meaning they never make you feel empowered. They always make you feel like you're doing something wrong. And it was a ploy to minimize you so that you don't see your worth. Because they're fearful. They're fearful that if you see your worth, then you'll go towards success and victory. They're fearful that if you see your worth, you'll gain more confidence and you may actually leave them. And they can't bear the thought of another person experiencing you, another person that you actually deserve to experiencing you. They can't even bear the thought of another person that deserves you to even get the opportunity to experience you. So they try to keep you small so that you do not feel confident in yourself to go towards love, because they see that you are husband or wifey material. This could be like an ex-partner for some of you, or a current partner. I'm not really feeling that. I'm feeling more someone distant. So this person may want to actually date you. You wouldn't believe it though, due to the way that they act. But this person, they see that you are a great catch. You know, they see that many people will like to date you. They see how popular you are. And they low-key envy you for that. They want to be seen in the same way as you, whether or not they like you or not. You know, they're jealous of your popularity. You're very visible, you know, possibly at work or in your community, but you're well known, like, and you've got a good reputation. And this person, for some of you, wanted to partner up with you. They felt like if they partnered up with you, you guys would be like a power couple, but they know on a soul level that you guys are not a match, right? So they tried to play in your energy. They played on your insecurities. They may have gotten in between your friends, a romantic relationship, because there's a fear that, like I said, you are a great catch. You're big energy in it, and they know that if you got into a relationship with someone, you're a nice person as well. So you got a beautiful personality. You're very relatable. You're down to earth. You're humble. You're powerful. You're respected. You've got, you know, most things that a person will want in a partner. And this person was jealous of you. Jealous because they felt like they could never have you. And also jealous because they feel like they can never be you. For some of you, you're getting married and this person hated it. They tried in the background to deter you away from a person. but their fears were exposed. And when these fears came up to the surface, you was shocked. You may have thought, this was my friend, man, like, or this was my sibling, this is my neighbor, I thought we were close. Nah, this person was harboring deep resentment all along, all along, because you are a representation to who they want to be. They want to be viewed like you, even if it's a person that likes you romantically. This person feels like you are unique. You connect to different people from all walks of life. They want to have that same appeal, and they may pretend to be in that energy, to embody that energy. And how they were able to embody that energy was by being around you. But spirit is stripping them of their falsities, and they have to stay seated in the reality of who they are and who they are not. And part of this stripping is going to, yes, expose the truth about them, but also it's going to remove them energetically from you. You know, spirit is getting involved now because their energy is very harmful to yours. Their energy is actually polluting your energy. You know, even their association with you may have caused hindrance and tampered with your energy in some way. Maybe you may have felt like very energetically drained, or people were viewing you in one way or another, because you were associated with this person. And spirit is like, nah, we've got plans for you. We've got high hopes for you. And this person has to let go of riding off your coattail, because this person is not on the same frequency as you. Where you're going, where they're going, two separate places. You're going up. I don't know where they're going. I'm just being 100. I'm really sorry, but this is the truth. But they were a hurry come up. They were a clout chaser. They use manipulation to get close to you. They use manipulation to get in circles that they literally don't even belong in. And that's why spirit booted them out, or will boot them out. There'll be nothing for them to invest in anymore. They were trying to invest in you and act like they were caring, they cared. No. Whilst they were aligned with you, they were secretly plotting your downfall, wanting to take what was yours, your reputation, how you are viewed by the public, your looks, whatever the case is, your charisma. And they're going to go through a Nine of Swords moment where they're going to be feeling very traumatized and burdened, thinking, why is the universe doing this to me? Because the universe knows that they don't have good intent, or they didn't have good intent, because for some of you, they have been kicked out of your life energetically. And part of the reason why, for some of you, future tense, they're going to be in this Nine of Swords energy is because you're going to be reigning supreme. They didn't want this for you. They didn't want success for you. They didn't want victory for you. But this is what they're going to see. This is what they're going to witness. This is what they try to stop. This is what they try to block. Yeah, they may have stagnated you and stalled you somewhat. But you are an empress, whether you are a masculine or a feminine listening to this. Whatever you touch grows, man. And they try to strip you of your birthright and act like you're not who you are. Energy doesn't lie. You are creative. You are self-expressive. You are going towards a new cycle full of major achievements. All that hard work that you've put in the background is going to pay off. Yes, it's going to be some times when you're going to feel like it's too much, but it's going to pay off. Nothing you've done is going to be in vain. These individuals, this person will be very shocked to know that you are an energetic match to all your blessings. They're going to see, they're going to hear. Some of you could birth a new child. Some of you could birth a business. Many businesses. Look at the stars on her head. How you are viewed by others is going to make these people irate. Just because they treated you in a certain way doesn't mean other people do. And they're going to witness or hear how highly other people speak about your energy, how highly people respect you, how highly people view you. how people find you attractive, handsome, beautiful. They're not going to be able to cope. They're going to hear about your successes, the ones that they try to destroy, or the ones that they thought will collapse since they exited your life, or the ones that they refused to help you with. They felt like, for some of you, without their help, you wouldn't get anywhere. Oh, wow. You're going to achieve so much. Even they're going to be intimidated. How did you do it? All up in the head. You see, Spirit didn't need them around you. Maybe you thought that you needed this person. This is a reminder that you don't. They were a blockage. They are a blockage. They didn't want this for you. Success, happiness, love. To find out that you're dating as well for some of you, even though you don't want this person to know your business, it's going to be like, how? With him? With her? How did he get him? How did he get her? Because whoever you're going to get with, if they try to interfere in this, is an energetic match. So keep shining, butterflies. Away from this person too. All these people.